Hello and welcome back to my channel. I have a Hobby Lobby / Dollar Tree DIY. I'm going to redo this lantern for you guys today. It was teal with some owls on it, but it looks completely different. So if you enjoy this video, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. And I would love to hear from y'all in the comments. Alright, let's get started. So I'm going to start out with this ivory paint, and I am going to paint this thing and then I'll be back. Oh, and I did want to just say real quick, look how this looked in the very beginning. It was a teal color, it had owls in the glass, and it just looks totally different after I redid this. I did just want to let you guys know real quick, this video is going to be a majority of me just painting. I will be doing a few other things, but it will be a lot of painting, so if that's not for you, this video might not be something that you want to watch. And if that's the case, I have so many other DIYs that you can check out, and I will leave a few of those in the description, some of my fall DIYs. So anyways, so after I had already painted it, I decided that I did not like the owls. I thought that once I painted it, I would maybe like it more, but I did not. So I wish I would have done this before I painted it, but do what you gotta do. So I just used my little scraper tool to lift it up where I could, and then I took my wire cutters and I cut it, and I just basically ripped it and scraped it and cut it and did whatever I had to do to get it off. So yeah, I'm gonna do that to all three owls, and then I'll be back. So since I took the owls off, I was able to remove the glass. So like I said, I really wish I would have done that before I started painting, but I didn't know if I'd like it or not. So now I'm just fixing the spots that got messed up after I was scraping and all that. And now I decided to go ahead and paint the inside because I was sure that you would be able to see that bright blue shining through. So I'm just going to do that real quick. Alright, so now I'm taking burnt umber and apple barrel paint, and I am going to start painting the edges, the sides, any holes, any place that I feel like would actually rust, I will be painting. Alright, so now I'm just going to replace that glass, and then we'll move on to the next part of this. So this is how it looked after I got done painting it. I love how it turned out, you guys. I'm obsessed, and it actually looks rusted, so that was crazy. Alright, so here is the next part of this. I'm going to be painting some of this decorative filler, and this is some scatter that I had already opened. I thought I was going to use it for another project, but ended up not using it. So yeah, we're just going to fix this up a little bit, make it a little bit better. Okay, so before we start painting this, I'm going to use some Mod Podge, and I'm going to use one of those little makeup pads and put this on there. And I did do one without the Mod Podge, and I'm telling you, unless you want glitter all in your paint, then you're going to want to not skip this step. So yeah, I did both sides, and then I'm taking that same ivory paint that I painted the outside of the lantern with, and I'm going to paint several of these leaves and pumpkins. Alright, so now I'm using Waverly's chalk paint in the color Celery. And I did just want to let you guys know that I am painting between 2 and 3 coats on these, just so that orange won't show through. Alright, so I'm going to do that, and then I'll be back. Alright, and last but not least, I'm going to use this color Mineral by Waverly's Chalk Paint, and I'm going to paint the rest of my scatter and pumpkins with it, and I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so now I'm just gonna throw my pumpkins into my lantern, and I did add one of those larger pumpkins, the one that has the clip on it, just to fill this up a little bit more. And this is how it looks. Oh yeah, and I added a couple acorns, just so to break up that gray, white, and green. And I think the acorns were just like a perfect little extra touch. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, give this video a thumbs up. I love hearing from you guys in the comments. If you have any family or friends who would like to see this video too, I would love to have you share this video with them. Thank you guys, and have a blessed day.